Good morning, Wairarapa TV and local news for Tuesday, December 6. November spending is up in Wairarapa according to figures released yesterday from Paymark. Across the country, over the last full week of November, the underlying annual spending growth was solid at 5.1%. Accommodation and liquor retail merchants recorded the fastest annual growth during that week. In Wairarapa, spending was up 9%, with only two other regions recording a similar increase in percentage to a transaction volume of $43.5 million. Over $500 has been raised in Martinborough over the weekend for their Coffee for Kaikoura. Local coffee houses banded together to donate $1 per cup sold to go to the Earthquake Relief Fund, with money still trickling in. And finally, Wairarapa rugby referee Rebecca Marnie has been nominated Referee of the Year in the NZAU Awards. Recently, she attended the Dubai Rugby Sevens tournament, refereeing 11 games and picking up the Invitational Women's Final and trophy for Female Ref of the tournament. And congrats to Wairarapa's under-13 girls cricket side, who over the weekend beat bigger neighbours Wellington in their 2020 match. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.